This explains the process to request the file from Traces containing data for generating TDS certificate through TDSMAN interface. Click on Traces information. Click on Request for Form 16A. Enter the login details of the user, for example, TAN, Traces user ID and password. Select the details of the return, that is, financial year, form number, and quarter for which the form needs to be downloaded. This information will be automatically placed, if available in the return, as recorded in the system. In case it is missing, this needs to be manually entered. The system also gives the option to make additional file requests for console and/or justification report for the selected return. Enter the captcha code. Click on Request. Click on Yes. This request will get submitted, and Traces will generate a request number against it. Normally, Traces takes some time to process the request. Once done, the file is made available in the Download Requested Files option. Click on OK. You may view the files that has been recently requested for, else click on Exit. Form 16 and Form 27D, which is TDS Certificate for Salary, and TCS Certificate respectively, is requested for, in the same way. Thanks for your time. Hope you found it useful.